I'm currently standing in the production factory, and our raw material warehouse is right in my side. Now, please take a look around our warehouse. Our warehouse covers an area of over 3,000 square meters and can store over 200,000 strips of boards, equivalent to around 300,000 square meters in total. As 0.8 mm to 2.0 mm thickness baseboard with 1 to 2 ounce carbon foil. The whole industry has been facing unprecedented challenges this year, including skyrocketing raw material price and the supply shortages. Even so, we are striving hard to overcome these obstacles. We keep upgrading our service and product competitiveness to prove our customer with stable and reliable supply.